Hey guys, what's up? This is B-Side Investing. This is a 100k challenge, and please feel free to like and subscribe. So, beginning with our portfolio here, currently we're up 1% on the day. So we'll just do a little track, just go back 1 week, okay, 9%. I think this is from Monday. Yeah. And then 1 month minus 12, yeah, 4% in 3 months, and then in 1 year we're up 72%. So that's $2,372. Okay. Right. So today, if you look here, today Bitfarms was up 3% on the day. No news, but I think it's just riding on. I want to say past a couple of days ago. And then we have Bingo, that's down 1%. We're still seeing some pullback, and it is kind of staying in the break-even range, mostly sideways. So I think I don't want to predict what's going to happen tomorrow, but because I think this seems like a short-lived, like a temporary pull. Even some of the genomic stocks, they're kind of not everyone is up. It's just Sense is up. They're up 8%. I think, yeah, there's no news here too. So, okay. So they're just getting more attention here. Let's see. Well, we got Banks is down 1%. Now Bitcoin was kind of, I want to see, what was it like? Down, was it? I don't think it was that down. It was in the 55 range. So it's okay. Okay, we closed. Alright, just a few $100 difference, but towards the end, towards closing today, it did push in the last 5 minutes. Yeah, it started to push up, and we have a high of 56.4k. We have a couple of days before options expire, so we'll see how that goes. That's gonna be interesting. There's only 2 days left till this month ends, and usually this month is towards like the better side. Usually huge growth and time to make money, kind of. Even this April and May. So we'll see what happens the last 2 days left. Right, so also Ethereum is just pushing all-time highs right now. 27.53 today. Yeah, kind of came down, but it just keeps setting all-time highs. Like right now we're still pretty good, about $2,700. So hopefully it stays in there, but the one thing that we need it to do is affect Hive, and Hive is not reacting to it that much. Not sure what's going on there. Let's see. Hive, right towards the end, it started to push after noon. Yeah, after noon it started to push up. It was around break even, but it just came down a little bit at the end there. So not sure what's going on with the uplisting as well with Hut, Bitfarms, and Hive. Hive especially, not sure what's going on. Hut, we have a sense of something coming, but Bitfarms, we have a kind of like I want to say like a range of when to expect the uplisting, because they filed their Form F40F, the last form needed kind of to uplist to Nasdaq. So we'll see. Hut 8, there's no news with Hut 8, but it was up, so that's good. I'm expecting this thing to go up to $10 by next week. Maybe no, I don't want to say that. In general, I'm expecting to stay around $10, because the stock needs to be at $10 right now. Let's see. So Bitfarms, right? So like I said, it could. It's the range is within like 5 to 6 weeks once that final form is finished. So I think that was last week. So maybe now 5 weeks left. So that'll be like the end of May. That's what's expected, but we don't know if they're gonna if Nasdaq they're gonna need more like form or any other things that need to be filed. It's a give and take. Like they need to get all the proper paperwork done. So yeah, and let's see. So Bitfarms, nothing much going on since the upgraded hash rate of 1.42. The market cap is still pretty low compared to like considering their hash rate. Yeah, so let's see. Oh yeah, we have a news with Neptune Digital today. So Neptune, they started Bitcoin mining operations and provides corporate updates. Okay, so they got their initial purchase of 300 Bitcoin S17 miners today, or was it not? I don't think it was today. Landed and been thoroughly tested, and they're now being installed. Okay, there's no date, but they've received it and they've installed it. The S17 just the S17. S17. Okay. Right here, okay. 56 terahash. Yeah, it's not much. They only got 300 right now. That gives them 15.5 petahash. Really, really low. It's still just the beginning for them and Link Global, their hosting partner. So they will have further updates as they receive more machines. And yeah, so we'll look at the financial and operational highlights. So they're currently generating about $400,000 per month in staking earnings. Okay, that's good. Balance sheet, they have about 53 million in cash and digital asset. Okay, so mainly it's 91 Bitcoin. That's the most value right here. And then they have 236 of Ethereum, 139K of Atom, 2K of Dash, and they also have smaller investments in LTC, BCH, Stellar, Neo, OMG, and Quantum. Okay. Okay, so the company started initial investment of 250K in protocol quant funds and is now valued at 2.34K based on the report on March 31st, 2021. And let's see. So Neptune and Link Global, so they have a partnership going on. It is called Pure Digital Power Corp. And 50-50 split, and they have two potential sites for future renewable powered Bitcoin mining facility, so that they're going to build out. Let's see. They also have signed a letter of intent, so they're going with Pure Digital Power Corp here. Non-binding, so letter of intent of up to 20 megawatt of solar powered at a fixed rate pricing. So, okay, usually they would give the price, but let's say maybe 3 cents per kilowatt hour, maybe less. It could be lower. If they can get more power at that rate, that'll be really good. Let's see. Yeah, non-binding. Okay, so they also have stock options of up to 4.2 million in common shares and at a exercise price of $1.03 per share. Currently, they are sitting at 1.03. So they also have broken even today. They're sitting at 107, but it just came all the way down today. So, yeah. All right, I think there isn't any news with banks though. Yeah, it's down just a little bit, not much. DeFi is down 4%. All right, that's fine. Let's see, DigiHost down. Okay. Let's see, DMG down 5%. Galaxy Digital's down today. That's interesting. Okay, NDA is breaking even. Okay. Let's see. I don't think I looked at Essences in a while. Essences is down, not even nothing. Immersion is up, not even nothing. So they're just barely up. Essences is sitting at 222. So if you would have bought when they dipped all the way down to about 140, 150, yeah, you would be sitting at like 70% gain. So, or 70% plus. So that looks pretty good. Yeah. Let's see. I think that was it. Bitcoin, the Ethereum is just killing it. If you look at Bitcoin's dominance here, it keeps getting lower and lower since this weekend at 50%, and it's currently at 49.1% of the total 2 something billion market cap for crypto. Ethereum's risen from 14 something to 15.1% sorry, and that's just mean like the dominance here reducing. That just means the altcoins are kind of taking the spotlight right now. So I mean, you can clearly see it is. I mean, XRP kind of jumped from the weekend to till now, from like $1 to I was say $1 all the way to right less than $1 all the way to from Sunday, currently all the way to about 144 and came back down. So that's a 44% gain. So right there, that's a lot. And Cardano was it around 105? I was looking at it on Sunday. It was at 105, 143, 143 around there, and high of 134, which is about 24% gain. Let's see. WeChain didn't move much. It just I think it was like 16, 17 cents to like 19 cents. Solana has just been killing it. Like, if you look at the 7-day movement, the lowest was Friday, and when all the other altcoins were down, Solana was going up and up and up. So around 31 all the way down up to 30, 40, 48. Yeah, so you see this thing is just primed for a huge run up. Yeah, man, just the crypto altcoins in general. Okay, so I think that's it. Overall, I think our portfolio is pretty good. I mean, I would stack my portfolio against any other YouTuber or any, considering the drop that we had, the 2 months, 72% still, it's pretty good. Like, I'm aiming for about, conservatively, I'm aiming for like maybe 20 to 30%, just beat the S&P 500. So overall, in the long run, I'll take 72% gain. So I'm up 2.3k. So yeah, some people they're not even up 10%, 15%. So it's all about perspective, right? It was up like 300%, but that's unsustainable. At that point, my mistake was not taking profits. So in the future, like I said, once I get to 100% or even just close to that range, I will take profit. The point of taking profit is not to bank it, but to purchase when that stock dips again. So when other people are really confident and really aggressive, you want to be fearful with the market, because we saw that aggressive drop, 20-30%, some of the stocks on one day in like March or something. So, and when people are fearful, you want to be aggressive. Like last week was the really optimum time to buy it. Yeah, so just look at people's emotions in the stock market. It's all about emotions. Like, you want to I can look at all the technical stuff. I can learn like the more advanced stuff about technical analysis and all that. But it's mainly people don't just run on technical analysis. Like most of the investors here in the stock market, they just run on emotion. Like when people sell, they just panic and sell. Like, it's a tough concept. Tough thing to do when your stock goes down like 10, 20%, 30%, right? So sometimes diamond hands, you just gotta believe in your research, the company, that in the long term it's gonna do really well. I've kind of like made mistakes here and there too. Like, it's not like I don't make mistakes. Like I sold bingo at 650 something like a few weeks ago, and I bought some crypto stocks, like blockchain stocks. And those blockchain stocks, if I waited like a couple days, I could have got them at 30% discount. So yeah, I did eat some loss there. So like it was only like a cup, maybe like like 1.5K maybe. So I'll just take that as a lesson. Like I preach by the dip, but sometimes you get that urge, that itch, and sometimes you just forget everything and you just like pull the trigger. So my goal is to just discipline myself to not make those mistakes. I mean, if I make them again, just try and avoid what I'm like, just look at what I'm doing wrong and where the trigger point is happening, and just avoid that. So wow, Canadian dollar is going up against USD. Interesting. So it's at 81 cents. Okay. Maybe the Canadian dollar will be more valuable than USD. It did happen like 2014, 15. It was a while ago. It was at one Canadian dollar was at that time more valuable than the USD. So hopefully it keeps running up. So I don't know why it's running up, but yeah. So anyways, thank you for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe. Please always do your research and fact check. And I would say keep an eye on the crypto. If you don't want to invest, that's totally fine. It's up to you. Just keep an eye on them like I'm doing. And just check out the movements. Just look at how they're doing. Like, just do some research on the coins itself, like BNB, Cardano. You can do a Dogecoin, Polkadot, Uniswap, WeChain, Solano, PancakeSwap down here. Yeah, so, and don't forget about Ethereum and Bitcoin. Bitcoin is more of a store value, and Ethereum is more practical, like smart contract. So Bitcoin will be like gold, and Ethereum will be like silver. So where silver we can use in our electronic goods to make them. So yeah. All right. Holding on you guys too long. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.